What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize and edit your product page on your Shopify store. So here I have my Shopify store opened and I'm signed into my account. So as you can see here, this is a new shop, a new store that I created. And if you go to the products page here, you'll see here that I haven't added any products yet. So you can import products like from dropshipping websites like CJ Dropshipping and so on. And you can find product to sell or add your own product. So let's add a product first. Let's add like a basic hoodie. We can enter the description like basic cotton hoodie. Okay, and you can edit here like you can generate text, you can edit the format, make it bold, italic, underlined, and so on. Edit the alignment, add links, photos, videos, and so on. So here, let's scroll down. Media, let's upload a new photo for the product here. So you can upload it, you can add it from a URL. Let's click on upload. And here I have a photo of the basic hoodie. Let's add it. The photo is now added. You can add other photos to add many photos to your store, to your product. Now, the product category is automatically generated. You can accept the suggestions. It says shirts and tops. Okay, that's right. You can close it and say it's something else. Okay. Now you can enter the product type, the vendor, collection, and tags. You can add a price. So let's add it to 50. And it detects that my location is in Egypt, so the currency is in Egyptian pounds. Compare at price, let's say 50, okay. Cost per item, let's say 30 pounds, so the profit is 20. Track quantity, okay, the shop location has an SKU, no, okay. The weight is like 0.5 kilograms. Okay, we added all the basic information. So let's save it. You can also add variants, so like colors or sizes. For now, let's save it, the product. And so we added a product here. It's a basic hoodie. You can see in the products page, if we go to the products, you'll see that the product will be added here. Now it is added. And now we can edit the product page on the store. So let's view our online store here. You can click to the I online store. It'll open the page preview of the store. And here we have our store with our featured product, that is the basic hoodie. And if we click on it, we will see how the product page will look on our store, on our website, if a customer opens it. So let's say we want to customize it. Now let's close this tab to go back to our Shopify account. Let's go to home here. And here you have all the options. We want to go here to the online store. Now let's click on online store, not the I, to view the settings. Here we can view the current theme, that's the Dawn theme here. It's pretty basic, so if you want to go ahead and change this theme, you have many popular free themes like Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, Craft, and so on. So you can choose one that you like. Let's say I like the refresh one, so let's add it. Click to add here. It'll now install the theme here. Okay, now the theme is added, so we can publish it or customize it. So you can publish it to make it like the default one. Now let's click on customize, and we can also click on customize the Dawn theme if you prefer to have it as your main theme here. And now we'll open it in the editor. You have here your home page, and from the top here you can choose the page. Now we want to edit the products page here, not the home page. And we have only one product, that's the default product, that's the basic hoodie that we added, so we will choose it. And it'll open the product page. So that's how the product page will look in the theme that we chose. If we open it in the Dawn theme, in the customization, in the Dawn theme, we will get the look of the Dawn theme. So here you can add all the items. If you go to a certain block or a certain element, like the announcement bar, the header, we can edit it. So let's say you want to edit like the colors. Let's click on the header here. Here you can edit the desktop logo position, top left, top center, let's say top left. Okay, and you'll see the changes will be added. So we can go ahead and choose the menu position, and we can choose the theme here, the color scheme. So let's change it to like this red one. And as you can see, the color is now changed for the header. And we can also change the button orders, the button size, padding, and so on. We can also add the bottom margin, the top padding, bottom size, and so on. And we can here get the theme settings, and we can change them if we want. We can add links and so on. So that's for the header. Let's say we want to change the style for the title, so the basic hoodie. We can click on the title element here. There are no customizable settings. We can delete the item, and we can add other elements. So for the buttons here, the buy button, let's click on it. We can show dynamic checkout button. We can show receipt information. So we have all the settings here that we can choose. So now we can add for the basic hoodie, like element. Let's go back. And now we can view the elements of the page here. For the template, the product information here, let's click on the text here. For the vendor, we can make it italic, we can make it bold, and so on, and we can add text styles. And once you finish all the settings, you can view how the page will look on the desktop or on a mobile phone. Okay. And now, once you are happy with how the page looks here, you can click on save to save the changes that you made. Okay, changes is saved. Now let's go back to our store here, or our Shopify store, and let's customize the down theme here. If you want to keep it, click on customize, select from the pages, select the products page, and select the default product. That's the basic hoodie. And you can also edit all the elements here as well. If you like this look, you can keep it, and you can edit all the elements: the header, the announcement bar, the template, text, title, price, and so on. So here for the price, for example, there are no customizable settings. So for some elements you cannot customize them. However, for some you can customize, like the colors and the look and so on. So that was like a quick overview on how to customize your products page on your Shopify store.